At Master Materials Manufacturing, we focus our foundation on productivity, quality and service. Our aim is to deliver value-added products to our clients through efficient operational systems, good manufacturing practice, reliability and goodwill. Incorporated in 1990, Master Materials Manufacturing is today a dynamic and progressive company. Our proven track record has instilled confidence amongst our clients, inspiring us to channel our resources to further develop quality products of the approved standard and durability. We are committed to facing the challenges in the building material industry. The Master Materials range of products is designed for developers, architects and specifiers. Our product range includes Masterpav concrete imprint, Simlite pattern floor resurfacing, Macrolite floor hardeners, architectural coatings and other related floor products. Masterpav concrete imprint is a specialized system in color impregnation concrete for application to driveways, patios and courtyards. We will show you step by step the stamping process of the Masterpav concrete imprint system. The area to be stamped is formed out. It is advisable to mask off the work area space with plastic sheets. The concrete is then placed and screeded as with any normal concrete work. Specially formulated pre-mixed color hardener is then broadcasted to add color and to harden the concrete surface. A boom float is used to trowel the color into the concrete surface. This completes the color impregnation process. Before stamping, a release agent is broadcasted over the base color. This release agent or releaser will form the second color and act as a curing agent. The molds or stamps are then placed into position for the imprinting or stamping process. The molds are made of hard-wearing and tough synthetics. A tamper is used to force the stamp into the concrete surface to obtain the desired pattern design. This process also ensures that the releaser adheres to the base color. For areas that require an expansion or control joint, a T-bar is tapped into the concrete surface. Hand mat, hand tool and floppy mold are used to work the difficult and side areas. The day after stamping is completed, the masking plastic is removed. The area is cleaned up. The floor is washed off by a high-pressure water jet to remove any surface releaser. The floor is left to dry. Approximately 3 days later, the stamped area is cleaned and ready for sealing. Sealing is done by a paint roller dipped in specially formulated sealer and applied to the floor surface. Sealing is normally carried out the day after wash-off to ensure the area is free from dampness. The finished floor is durable, long-lasting and a hard-wearing surface that is easy to maintain. The Masterpav concrete imprint system is available in a wide variety of colors and stamping patterned molds. Masterpav is ideal for exterior commercial and domestic areas. Masterpav is presented to you by Master Materials Manufacturing, Sendirian Berhad.